Get the ball, Jason. We got to do some more batting practice. Come on. You can hit a home run. Let's go. Want me to help you? Set it up, Jay. You going to hit a home run? Oh, good one. Run, Jay, run, run, run. First base. Second base. Home run. Woo, Jason. Want to use that bat? Get the ball. Get the ball. Go, Jason, go. One more time. Uh-oh. Can I have a turn? Can Sandra have a turn?
Please.
Is it Jason's turn?
Yeah,
Jason's turn?
All
Alright, go, Jason. Home run. Woo! Go, Jason, go! Blow me a kiss. Where's my kiss? Blow me a kiss. Thank you.